Witch Reviews, and today we are unboxing Spice Breeze. So if you're not familiar, Spice Breeze is a monthly culinary subscription. Each package takes you to a different locale. There are different options. I think there's 3 different ones. They start at $6.90 a month. You receive everything you need to, no, that's not true. You receive a spice kit, up to 3 in each one. And a spice kit includes a recipe and all the spices you need to create a dish. They do allow you to customize your menu, which is really cool. I always create one of these in my blog, so if you're interested in kind of seeing it come together, I will link down below to that. Something I do want to say is this is great. It's not just great for like there are fast dinners that you could do on a weeknight, but there is a multitude of different options, and there are things that you could do for a Sunday dinner and or lunch or whatever. There's just a lot of different options. I think that's really cool. So without further ado, let's get in here. So everything comes in here. I will link down below to Spice Breeze too. I think I have a coupon code for them as well. All right. I do this one every month. I love it. It's one of my faves. It's fun to do. All right. So it comes in this packet, right? You open it up and you have your, these are your recipe cards. So you see your spices on there like this. Isn't that pretty? It just comes, it smells like so fragrant and beautiful. So here's our insert. This is the Moroccan argan tree. That's the locale for the month. So there's that, and it tells you a little bit more about that location on the card. Our first dish is poulet au Maslala. It's a Moroccan dish. So our packets for that are right here. This red one. And poulet au Maslala is a stew of chicken and olives with a slightly lemony gravy, also called olive chicken tagine. Tagines are originally cooked in the earthenware tagine pot. I've always wanted one. I don't have one. This recipe is the simplest version with a pure flavor dominated by saffron, lemons, and olives, or Maslala. The smell of saffron feels like home in a Moroccan family kitchen. That sounds really delicious. I think I'm actually going to make that. In that packet is paprika, cumin, garlic, ginger, and saffron. All right, next up we have Quiche Lorraine. Quiche 1 packet is here. So there's 2 packets for this spice packets, and then there's a 2. So the popular Quiche Lorraine is a pie named after the Lorraine region in the northeast of France. Originally, it's made with eggs, cream, and pork fat, no cheese. Today, cheese is essential for this savory comfort food. In combination with ham or Italian pancetta, adjust the filling to your taste with zucchini, pumpkin, spinach, or kale. The spice kit includes mace instead of nutmeg and a French salad seasoning. All right, so it's great because I don't like nutmeg or like cardamom or those kinds of spices in my food. I think they're yucky. So one in that first packet is mace. So that's right here, which is not as sweet as your nutmegs or your cardamoms. And then the second is fine herbs of chervil, chives, tarragon, marjoram, and parsley. So there's that. That sounds good too, but I think I'm gonna make the one. All right, but then we come to our third final recipe. This is Kalataka. This is a Tunisian culinary spice kit. This looks yummy. Kalataka is a Tunisian 5-spice blend. Our version adds exotic rosebuds. The most significant part of Kalataka is a rare spice from West Africa, grains of paradise. I actually have some of these. Also known as malagueta or guinea pepper. This seasoning staple is versatile and great on meat or vegetables for grilling or in hearty soups and stews. So here is our Kalataka packet. In there we have black pepper, nutmeg, cloves, grains of paradise, cinnamon, and rosebuds. All right, and then there's a little bonus packet here. This says Oriental pumpkin pie spices. So in there we have cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, cloves, and cardamom. Recipes for pumpkin spice latte, pumpkin pie spice nuts, or an African soup, and more on spicebreeze.com. So you can kind of go in there and get more recipes if you're a subscriber. So like I said, I will link down below to my blog where we'll do one of these recipes together. I love this subscription. It's inexpensive. It's a great way to get your like feet wet if you want to try cooking different dishes, and like it's a nice little primer in like cultural foods and things like that. And I just think I really think it's top. So anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.